So this is going to be a walk-by video of all of the fans we've installed in a friend of ours' church. Starting off with the Harbor Breeze Princess Euro. As I explained in the individual video, it does have some modifications, but it turned out pretty cool. And then here's the hallway. First classroom here, we've got a Northman hugger. So I'm probably just gonna go through and start refan to low. And we'll do another walk by. There's a couple SMCs here. That up low. Invention. Probably not gonna be able to get the hugger from this angle, but definitely neat. Yeah, in this room you can see has the partition to have two separate rooms if you need. And there is the Northman. Might be able to get it from here. Pretty close. Yeah, there we go. All three together here. The two 42-inch fans in here have a pretty similar low. The DC52 is obviously a little slower. I did find that if you set the DC52 to medium, they're actually pretty close to speed matched. Very similar RPM, so definitely neat. We are going to eventually paint the ceiling rings where the light fixtures used to be. Oh, and if you're curious, the light fixtures, that's what they look like. Those are the 50s era copper light fixtures, which we're going to keep those just as backup, but we wanted to do some fans, so. All right, and then let's see. So in this room, we've got the Emerson capacitor. So yeah, this hallway's got various classrooms. There's where the princess is. Got the capacitor, SMC, hugger, Bridgeton. Then in this room, we've got a air-cool hugger. The blades say U-Sun on them, so I don't know if the whole fan's a U-Sun, but put that on low. Very cool fan. That one's got a very nice low. There's the Bridgeton. Okay. And then in here, we got the GE vent fan. All right, and now that everything's kind of winding up, we'll go do another walk by.